Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Reading aloud also helps you remember words and sentence patterns. The more you read, the more your brain stores useful English. You begin to use those same words in daily conversations. You do not need to memorize long lists. Just read and speak daily. This method is natural, and it makes learning fun and easy. One good way to practice is to stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself while speaking. This makes you more focused. You can check your mouth movements and facial expressions. It feels like you are talking to someone. This mirror method makes reading aloud even more effective. It helps you feel ready to speak to real people. You don't need much time. Even 5 to 10 minutes each day is enough. Use simple English books, daily conversations, or short stories. Choose what you enjoy. Read slowly and clearly. Try to understand what you are saying. If you do this every day, your progress will surprise you. Small practice brings big change. I truly believe that reading aloud is one of the best ways to learn English speaking. It doesn't cost money, and anyone can do it. All you need is your voice, your time, and your will to learn. Speak out loud, enjoy the process, and be proud of your efforts. Step by step, you will become a confident English speaker. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.